Hey, this is Diana from the blog Liking Our Love, and in this video we're making our own cereal. It's cinnamon and honey granola. You need 3 cups of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and then you're going to stir those together until they're well combined. Into a smaller bowl, you're going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of warm water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you'll stir that until there are no more lumps of sugar and everything is well combined. Then you're going to take your oat mixture and pour the wet mixture right on top of that. Stir everything together. Keep on going until you don't have any more dry oats. You want to make sure everything is well coated. Then you're going to take a large cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper, and then just pour your oat mixture right on top. Use the back of a spoon to press the mixture down firmly. Make sure the edges are packed in too so that they don't burn. When you finish, it's going to look like one big piece of granola. It's going to be about 1/2 inch thick. Then you go ahead and bake it in a 250-degree oven for 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes. And when it's done, the edges will be brown. When you touch it, you'll feel that it's hardened up slightly. The middle may not be hardened yet, but don't worry because it'll harden up more as it cools down. Once it's cooled down, you'll use your hands and the metal spatula to break the granola apart. And just keep on going until you get it the size that you like. I like it with a few big clusters. And then if you want, you can add in raisins or craisins. Just go ahead and stir those in. And that's it. You're all done. You're ready to go ahead and eat it. You can use it any way you want. My favorite way to eat it is as cereal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check us out at www.likingourlove.com for recipes and homemaking tips.